Pruning your trees or trimming branches, the everyday yard work has never been this easy before. You no longer have to carry around the noisy, hustling, heavy gas chainsaw or use annoying. So, to assemble it, you have to unscrew the bolt on the side first to open up the mounting area. Then, put on the chain on the guiding plate like this. Attach the chain and the guiding plate to the tungsten ball and mount like this. Now, you can reattach the outer casing and tighten the bolt to medium. Then, use the screw on the inner side of the plate to tighten the chain. Once the chain is tight, you can tighten the bolt well. The final step is attaching the safety shield. For that, there is a screw on the top of the housing of the main body. Unscrew it, attach the shield and then tighten the screw. Now you can attach the powerful 24-watt battery to the mount and you're good to go. After all this, if you find that the saw is not cutting the log, well, then that means you put the chain in the wrong direction. Just flip the chain and that's it. Easy, right? Now we can start clearing some bush and trim some branches. Look at how it performs for us. Really amazing. No more sore arms from the heavy chainsaw or the axe. It cuts through really easy and looks fairly powerful. From small branches to trees, pruning or clearing the yard, this mini chainsaw performed well for us. We even tested it with fairly bigger logs and it was fun cutting through and even exceeded our expectations. Just look at this. We are not simply stating all this, just watch how easy it is to cut through the log. We believe women are gonna love this saw, especially if you have a big yard or a garden and you love to keep your yard in shape, then pruning and clearing can be really fun with this powerful mini saw. And the best part is that it costs way less than the famous brands but gives equally good performance. Get it now and have fun with your yard work. So, what do you think about this great tool? Is this something that you were looking for? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more useful contents like this. And here is Soning signing off. See you guys in the next one.